When you look around the gardens here, it's just incredible to imagine that all of these plants were planted by my mother and father-in-law. It's just a tropical wonderland, really. You know, you've got dappled shade in the summer, you've got the beautiful streams and waterfalls running in the background. It's just like a world away from the real world, and it's smack bang in the middle of suburbia. The lesson we have learned from lockdown is rebuild. It was devastating. Mid-March, we got a phone call from the government basically say you need to close, guys. We just didn't expect it. We have a fantastic team here, super creative, super passionate, and they said, let's rebuild, let's just do something different. So we did. We set about to rebuild as a takeaway because that was the only option that we had. It turned out to be a great fun time for everyone. And then in the evenings, we had the drive-in movie theatre. We actually pulled down one of the signs out the front, flipped it over, painted it white, and used it for the screen. And the whole experience was just really, just different, but really fun for everybody. We'd love everyone to come and pay us a visit here. You'd enjoy 36 holes of mini golf. You can enjoy a wander around the gardens, get craft beer, you can get boutique wines. It's good for the kids, it's good for the whole family. It's just a beautiful place to enjoy the afternoon.